Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today's video is going to be about whether or not you could become a millionaire, multi-millionaire by investing in the financial markets. Now, this one's a little bit of a weird subject because it really depends what your sort of strategy is when you go into the market. So if we look at trading for an example, most traders or hedge fund managers make around 20 to 30% annualized yearly. So if you check that on a compound interest calculator and say you start off with something, let's say $100,000, which in my opinion is something that you should kind of start with. If you have less than that, I think the first thing you should do is actually save, live well below your means, and actually get to a point where you can save that. So in 10 years, that kind of gives you 600,000. In 20 years, what is that? About 3.8 million. But again, that's if you consistently make 20% year on year. And 20 years for most people is a lifetime. They're not willing to or prepared to wait that long. So I thought I'd give a little bit of a rundown in terms of the top billionaires that we do have, or the richest people we have in the world, and see what portion of those are actually investors. So here we know that Warren Buffett obviously is through investing, but I would also say he's also a bit like a private equity type person, in the sense because he acquired a lot of companies at controlling stakes and took over their business as well. So he is not just a small investor, if you will. He's actually somebody who takes large stakes in companies. So obviously he's got $84 billion mainly through investing. So you could say that, but most of the other people are businessmen. This guy's a casino guy, Carlos, from Mexico, and most of them, like Larry Ellison, is from Oracle, where obviously created a technology company. So the short answer is it can, over persistence and over longevity, but it does require a lot of skill, a lot of art. But the best thing to do is to create a business or create an idea that you're good at, that you're passionate at, which can generate you at least a couple of million of dollars, and then you could sort of invest in the market and then use that to sort of fund your lifestyle and fund your life. But otherwise it is quite tough to do so, unless if you do work for hedge funds and you do become private partners in hedge funds. So if we look at Steve Cohen, who's one of the most notable hedge fund managers, $12 billion. He started his fund at the age of around 30 something. Started with 20 million, then grew obviously to billions of dollars. And then we have also a good large chunk of other hedge fund managers which are having billions of dollars. So, but the reason why these guys do is because they've actually created a company. Though they're managing money for people, but they've created a company, they've created a hedge fund. So that's sort of things that you got to think about. So would investing alone make you a millionaire? Possibly over really longevity, and that too if you become really disciplined and good at what you do. But otherwise, if you want to become a millionaire, it's best to go and start a business, or if you are good at someone who's good at managing money for people, then creating your own hedge fund or private equity or venture capitalist fund would be the option. So yeah, I thought I'd make a little bit of a video of that because a lot of people do ask me whether or not investing or trading is the route to become a multi-millionaire or a billionaire. So I thought I'd make a quick video on that, and I hope you enjoyed it. Make sure you like, subscribe, comment, and let me know what you want to see next. See you in the next video.